Welcome to I Borghi. Probably doing a terrible job of pronouncing that name. I'll try to get that right a little bit later on. Ooh, love this little private seating area here. So this hotel is built on the site of a former farm estate, and they've redone the entire place. So we are in one of the suites, 15 suites total. We have a living room. Here is the bathroom situation. Does that have the name on it? I Borghi dell'Eremo. I Borghi dell'Eremo. Dell'Eremo. That's the best I can. Dell'Eremo. Okay. My wife coaches me. Beautiful garden outside the window. Let's take a look at the shower situation. Okay, we have some nice options there. Right. This property definitely has some signs of age here and there, but very unique situation. Look at that brick. Beautiful. That just feels so cozy. Right now, the temperature control in here is excellent. Air conditioning clearly works well. It's fun because our last accommodation had 0 closet space. We've got a little bit more to work with here. What do you think, honey?
Like literally, speechless. No,
We're in an old farmhouse.
it's so beautiful.
It's so cool.
Yeah, what they've done to it and all this space is, I mean, it's just a completely different vibe from the busy, bustling Amalfi Coast.
Right.
This feels more relaxed.
Oh. Yeah, I'll give you a bit of a walk around the property next, and you can...
Yeah, you go out and I'm gonna start nesting.
That's right. Well, I may not do it immediately, but for the viewers, it'll be next. They have, she said 500 hectares. This is a huge, huge property.
Huge property.
It's enormous. So a little bit later, I will show you around the pool and the spa, and you can enjoy that, but welcome. We're enjoying a delightful breakfast here on the patio. These are some of the offerings at I Borghi. This is a look at the outdoor space. You've got the main building over there. Hi, Kristine. We are at the spa here at I Borghi. A lot of treatments await. 3 different treatments right in that pool. 3 separate sections, different sensations. We're going to need to check them all out. I don't think there's any time to sit around. After the pools, we've got an ice treatment awaiting and a cold shower, looks like. Next door to that, we have the steam room. Pretty steamy already. From here, we have a shower situation, and we have a dry sauna. Whew, that is scalding hot. I don't think I can handle more than a minute of that. But the view is very nice, very lovely. I would definitely be ready for a cold shower after that. Let's keep it moving down here. We have places to recline. We have an outdoor, actually 2 outdoor showers. We have a series of foot treatments. I just have to try these right now. Pine cones. That is fun. We have a hot tub jacuzzi ready to go. And I think that is it. I think I've captured the essence of what is happening here at the spa experience. It helps, of course, that it's just a magical, beautiful summer evening, which I suspect they have a lot of here in Umbria. All right, let's see how Kristine is doing with her hydro treatments. How's it feeling? Yes, you are. All right. Tour over. Time to enjoy.